नमस्कारम एंड वेलकम टू ऑल माय ब्यूटीफुल लेडीज। स्वागत है आपका हमारे आज के एपिसोड में, जो कि है ब्यूटीफुल ट्रेडिशनल कंचीपट्टू साड़ीज के बारे में। एंड टुडेज साड़ीज आर इवन मोर स्पेशल बिकॉज ऑफ द बिग बॉर्डर्स दैट दे हैव, व्हिच हैज अ लॉट ऑफ लवली zari work, making them very royal, very vintage too. So ladies, let's get started with the one that I'm wearing right now. This one is in beautiful shade of light blue with red color kanchipattu sari, and on the body we have florals and leaf jal with peacocks. As you can see, this lovely work is in silver zari, and we have outlining in thread work in blue color, making the design more prominent, more gorgeous. Border is in red color, has diamonds and peacocks over it in gold zari. Gorgeous pallu has diamonds with peacocks and florals in lines. And we have a very lovely contrasting blouse which has self-embossed work over it. To place in order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CB348. Weaver's price is 18,749, and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. So ladies, before getting started with today's lovely collection, just let me know what kind of colors, what kind of combinations and designs you want to see in today's episode. And once you let me know your answers in the comment section down below, I will be able to show you more of your favorites, and not just in today's episode. I will keep your favorites in my mind and keep showing you lovely sarees in every episode. Moving on to the next gorgeous one, and this one is a very beautiful light green color saree which has self-embossed work on the body, so which makes the saree very lightweight and very beautiful too. On this lovely dhani green saree, we have florals and paisleys jal. You can see the beautiful lemon color work on the body, making it even more lovely, very bright and beautiful. Border is in beige color, has diamonds and floral buttees in copper zari. We have small temples on the edge too. And the beautiful pallu which has leaf buttees and curvy checks. This work is in copper zari, and copper looks very subtle on the beige color pallu. Let's have a look at the contrasting blouse, and to place in order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BV997. Weaver's price is 7,832. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So now moving on to next very bright and lovely pink with yellow color kanchipattu saree with a big border. Let's have a look at the details. Here it is. Beautiful color combination and lovely design. On the body of this one, we have florals and leaf jal in gold zari on the body, and the border, which is in yellow color, has diamonds and cross lines with floral jal. We have a lot of beautiful gold zari work on the yellow color, which is adding a lovely shine, beautiful bling. And the pallu has florals and curvy checks. Let's have a look at the beautiful contrasting blouse, and to place in order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CB597. Weaver's price is 16,500, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So dear ladies, before moving on to our next saree, let me just remind you that please make sure to like, follow and subscribe to us on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube, because every day we come up with amazing new collections of sarees at Weaver's Prices, exclusive Weaver's Prices. When you follow us, you stay updated about current trends in fashion, and when you wear sarees from Varamahalakshmi Silks, you become the fashion icon of every event that you attend. So please make sure you're placing your orders right away for this exclusive, beautiful kanchipattu sarees with big borders. Moving on to the next one now. This one is a very lovely, lightweight, yellow color kanchipattu saree with a big border. Very classy color. On the body, we have elephant buttees and circles. And the gold zari looks extremely gorgeous on the yellow color body. And here's the beautiful border which has temples, dollars and boxes in silver zari. And then we have peacocks and elephants with florals, cross lines and temples with peacocks in gold zari. We have a pink color edge to your beautiful big border, and the pallu has cross lines over it, again in gold zari, along with the peacocks and elephants and dollars in boxes. Let me now show you the contrasting blouse. It's in pink color, and to place an order for this very bright and lovely sari, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BX502. Weaver's prices 14,080. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to next classy sari from today's episode of lovely Kanchipattu saris with a big border. Wow, such a regal sari, ladies. Very beautiful, lovely color combination on the body of this one, which is in pink color. We have florals and leaves in boxes. You can see the lovely copper zari work all over the body, which is adding a beautiful shine to the pink color. And the lovely big border has leaves on the edge, peacocks in boxes, florals jal, cross lines, florals and leaves jal with paisleys and diamonds in copper zari. Here's the beautiful pallu, which has lotuses in boxes and floral brocade work in copper zari. And let me now show you the contrasting blouse, which is in black color. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CB558. Weaver's price is 15,199 rupees. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to next gorgeous sari. This one is in green and blue color. It's a very gorgeous color combination and with a big border. On the body of this green color Kanchipattu, we have florals in curvy checks and gold zari. And the border in teal blue color has temples, dollars and lines, diamonds, and then we have huge paisleys with florals around them, and this gorgeous work is in champagne gold zari. Let's have a look at the pallu, which has florals and diamond brocade work in champagne gold zari. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CB559. Weaver's price is 11,999. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So dear ladies, I hope you are enjoying today's episode as I'm trying to show you very regal, very beautiful and traditional Kanchipattu saris. These have amazing big borders with a lot of intricate work over them in zari. So please make sure you're placing your order within 24 hours because the weaver's prices are valid only for 24 hours. Moving on to the next sari. This one is a beautiful combination of navy blue with magenta, and let me show you the body. On the body of this one, we have florals and leaves jal in silver zari. And border in magenta color has temples and paisleys with cross lines in silver zari. Let's have a look at the pallu, which is in red color and has brocade work in silver zari. And a very beautiful and bright contrasting blouse in red color. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CB626. Weaver's price is 8,360. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So dear lovely ladies, let me just show you the next one. It's a very classy sari and you're going to love the color combination of this sari. Wow, what a gorgeous combination. Very elegant, isn't it? It's a cream with light pink color Kanchipattu sari. And on the body we have floral buttees in zari. The champagne gold zari work looks extremely gorgeous. And our big border, which is in lovely shade of pink, has florals with paisleys, dollars, cross lines, leaf buttees with a lot of floral detailing, and all this beautiful work is in gold zari. Let me now show you the pallu, which has cross lines over it. And a very classy contrasting blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ496. Weaver's price is 13,199, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to next gorgeous saree. This one is in such a bright and beautiful color combination. You're going to love this. Blue with magenta color kanchi pattu saree with a big border. On the body of this one, we have florals and curvy checks in gold zari. Gold is adding a lovely shine to the teal blue color body, making it so bright and lovely. And the border in magenta has temples on the edge, florals jal, diamonds, and then paisleys with florals and leaves jal in gold zari. And here's the pallu, which has brocade work all over it, again in gold. Let's have a look at the contrasting blouse in magenta color, and to place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CB575. Weaver's price is 11,999, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So dear ladies, before moving on to next gorgeous saree, let me just show you these simple steps. You just need to follow them to follow VML on Facebook and stay updated about our collections, Weaver's prices and lives too. Moving on. Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos. And here I am back to show another classy saree to all my classy ladies. Moving on to the next one, and this one is a classic red color kanchi pattu saree with a big border, making it even more lovely, more gorgeous. On the body we have florals and paisleys and cross lines with gold zari. Have a look at how royal the gold looks over the red color body. And then this border has small zari lines, florals jal, peacocks in boxes and cross lines in gold zari. Let me show you the pallu, which has all over brocade work in gold zari. And a very lovely self blouse, because this color is so classy in itself. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BU367. Weaver's price is 13,599, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So dear ladies, before moving on to the next saree, let me just remind you that you can let me know your favorite colors in the comment section down below, and that way I will be able to show you more of your favorite sarees. You can tell me the color combinations, the designs, whatever you want to see. If you have any queries, just let me know and I will show you the lovely saree. Let me next show you the next beautiful saree. It's a very lightweight blue with peach color kanchi pattu saree with a big border. On the body of this one, we have florals and peacock buttis in gold zari. So peacock buttis are inside leaf buttis in gold. And here's a beautiful border in peach color, which has peacocks and florals over it. Florals are in silver zari while the peacocks are in gold. Very unique, very lovely design. Here's the pallu, which has peacocks and florals in leaf buttis. And a very beautiful and gorgeous contrasting blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ681. Weaver's price is 9,359. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next saree, let me just say hi to Miss Pooja. Thank you for being here and thank you for loving today's episode on sarees. I'm going to show you all your favorite colors, so you just need to let me know your answers in the comment section down below. Moving on to the next one now. And here comes another very gorgeous saree. It's in green color. Wow. Love the colors and the zari work over it. This gorgeous green color saree has leaves and floral jal all over the body. And the border has florals in boxes with cross lines, and all this work is in silver zari, which is adding a lovely shine to the green color. We have a pink color edge to your green border, and a beautiful pallu which has diamonds and curry. So it's a contrasting pallu, and we have this lovely silver zari work over it. Let's have a look at the contrasting blouse for this saree, and to place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BU369, Weaver's price is 10,560. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to our next sari, and this one is a very gorgeous sunset color sari. You're going to love the colors and the designs over this. Let's have a look at the details. Very beautiful, very lightweight sari, and on the body of this one, we have floral buttis in zari. There is gold zari work all over this lovely yellow color body. You can see we have two types of floral buttis on the body in gold zari. Slightly smaller border on this one. It's an orange color border with temples, dollars and diamonds and lines, florals and leaf shawl, diamonds, and again we have a repetition of work here, creating a balanced, beautiful design. Here's the pallu, which has floral brocade work over it in gold zari. You can see the florals in curvy checks. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse in orange color. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY749. Weaver's price is 7,519 rupees, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So before moving on to the next sari, ladies, let me just talk to you a little bit. So since it's weekend, it's Saturday, I hope you're enjoying your time with your friends and family, and also happening to enjoying our today's live episode. As you can see, I'm showing you beautiful Kanchipattu saris in very vibrant contrasting colors, and they have lovely big borders. Big borders means a lot of beautiful work is there, making them very regal, very authentic and traditional too. These saris are pure Kanchipuram silk saris, which makes them even more special. So please make sure placing the order right away within 24 hours to avail to the Weaver's prices. Moving on to the next one. Here comes another next lovely sari. This one is in pink color. I always love pink saris, and I always suggest to all my beautiful ladies to have all the shades of pink in their wardrobe. This one has florals and leaf shawl on the body in gold zari. And the beautiful border has florals, cross lines, florals and leaf shawl, and again cross lines. So there's a repetition of work this side, and we are having a lovely, beautiful, balanced design in gold zari. This is the pallu, a beautiful pallu which has gold zari brocade work. We have florals and cross checks in gold zari, and a very beautiful contrasting blouse. It's in emerald green color. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CB562. Weaver's price is 15,840 rupees, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next, definitely beautiful sari in blue and pink color, another very lovely color combination. Let's have a look at the details. Here it is coming, another beautiful sari for all the beautiful ladies. On the body of this lovely light blue Kanchipattu sari, we have self-embossed small floral buttis, and then we have yalis and circular buttis in gold zari. Gorgeous work on the body. Slightly smaller border for this one in pink color. We have peacocks, elephants and boxes. Then we have a peacock inside box, cross lines, florals and boxes. And again a repetition of work this side, creating a balanced, beautiful design. Let me show you the lovely pallu, which has florals and cross checks and unicorns and boxes in gold zari. Beautiful brocade work is there. And such a gorgeous contrasting blouse in pink color. To place an order for this one, you just need to take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CB564. Weaver's price is 15,999. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So ladies, I hope you're enjoying the episode. I hope you're placing your orders also right away, because this is the first time that I'm showing you these lovely saris with big borders. We always show you beautiful Kanchipattu saris, but big borders, making them even more special. You just need to know your answers, need to let me know your answers in the comment section down below, and that way I will know your favorite colors and show you your favorite saris too. Moving on to the next one. This is another very gorgeous combination of green with sea green color. So have a look at lovely combination of colors and the beautiful gold zari work on the body. We have floral buttis and cross checks on the body. And all this work is in gold zari, which is adding a very beautiful, very ethereal shine to the green color body. Border in sea blue color has small temples, dollars in boxes, peacocks in boxes, cross lines, and again a lovely repetition of work in gold zari to create a balanced and beautiful design. Here's the beautiful pallu, which has brocade work. We have diamonds and zigzag lines in gold zari, and a beautiful contrasting blouse with self-embossed work over it. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CB560. Weaver's price is 15,749. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next saree, let me just welcome a very dear customer, Miss Sushmita ji. Thank you for being here and thank you for showing your love and support. I would definitely show you your next beautiful saree. I will try to show you your favorite colors too. So just let me know your answers in the comment section down below. Moving on to the next one now. And here comes a very classy saree. This one is in violet color. Beautiful color, isn't it? So on the body of this one, we have all over leaf buttis in silver zari. And silver is adding a beautiful shine, as you can see. Lovely contrast, adding beautiful light on the body. The border is in light green color, but it has beautiful copper zari work. So we have peacocks and floral jal with cross lines. Florals in boxes are there too. Dollars in boxes are there too. So there's silver zari work and copper zari work on your border in green color. Let me show you the pallu, which has polka dots and cross checks. Very beautiful work is there. And let's have a look at the contrasting blouse, which is in green color. To place an order for this lovely saree, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CB563. Weaver's price is 14,799 and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to our next beautiful saree from today's episode of Kanchipattu sarees with big border. Moving on to the next one. This one is a lightweight saree. Let me share the details first. On the body of this saree, we have floral buttis all over the body. Gorgeous work is there, very simple and classy saree. Border in sea green color has floral buttis in lines. We have diamonds also, paisleys also, and zigzag lines in lines too. And here's the lovely pallu, which has floral buttis and cross lines. Beautiful brocade work is there in copper zari. And now I will be showing you the contrasting blouse for this saree. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA887. Weaver's price is 14,399 and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. So ladies, are you excited to see the next saree? This one is a very royal, authentic design. It has very regal work over it. And let me show you the details right away so that you can place your orders also right away. Look at this gorgeous saree. Oh my god, so lovely. On the body of this navy blue and purple Kanchipattu saree with big border, we have florals and leaves jal in gold saree. Very intricate and detailed work is there, adding more beauty to the already lovely saree. Border is in purple color, has leaves, paisleys in boxes, peacocks and florals and leaves jal. Again paisleys in boxes, cross lines, and peacocks with florals and leaves jal in gold saree. Here's the lovely pallu, which has brocade work over it. So we have florals in cross checks brocade work. And let me now show you the contrasting blouse for this sari. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ228. Weaver's price is 9,199 rupees. And you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's have a look at the next gorgeous sari. It's a classy red color Kanchipattu sari. Let's have a look at the details. It has very intricate work over it in gold zari, and you're totally going to love the sari. Wow. Don't you just love the color and the beautiful shine over it? On the body of this sari, we have florals and leaves jal in gold zari. So you can see there's a lot of intricate work. The detailing of these florals is with diamonds and cross lines. I love this sari so much. The border, big pattu border, has cross lines, florals in circular buttis with temples, zigzag lines, and again cross lines in gold zari. Here's the beautiful pallu, which has florals and cross checks over it in gold zari. And such a lovely self blouse. To place an order for this very gorgeous sari, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CB570. Weaver's price is 14,080. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just say hello to our very dear customer Sangamitra ji. Thank you for being here. Thank you for showing your love and support and enjoying your episodes too. Please make sure you are placing the order for your favorite saris right away to avail to the Weaver's prices. Weaver's prices are valid only for 24 hours. Moving on to the next one now. Another very beautiful sari is coming up. Classic combination of green with red, and I personally love this combination so much. It's a tradition and it always stays in style. Moving on to the body, which has all over paisley buttis in zari. Gold zari work is there with thread work detailing in red color. And border in red color has leaves, florals and leaves jal, cross lines and peacocks with florals and leaves jal in gold zari. Here's the pallu, which has brocade work on it. So we have florals and curvy checks in gold zari again. And this is the beautiful contrasting blouse, which is self-embossed work over it. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CB565. Weaver's price is 15,840. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to today's next sari. This one is a very beautiful green color lightweight sari. Let's have a look at the details. First of all, this shade of green is also very unique. Let's have a look at the details. On the body, we have peacocks in circles in gold zari. Along with peacocks, we have floral detailing also. Border in chocolate brown color has florals and leaves jal and diamonds in gold zari. And the beautiful pallu has brocade work over it. So contrasting pallu. And we also have a beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CB583. Weaver's price is 13,599. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to the next gorgeous sari from today's episode about Kanchipattu saris but with big borders. Let's have a look at the next sari now. Very gorgeous sari for all the gorgeous ladies. On the body of this beige with pink color Kanchipattu sari, we have florals and leaf buttis with zari. You can see the small paisleys with small floral buttis in silver zari. And then the bigger leaf buttis in gold zari. So we have two types of work on the body in two zaris. Border is in pink color, it's a slightly smaller border. We have dollars and boxes, diamonds, and all this work is in gold zari. Here's the pallu, which has dollars and diamonds in lines. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse in pink color. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY406. Weaver's price is 7,359, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next very bright and beautiful Kanchipattu sari with a big border. These sarees are pure Kanjivaram silk sarees. Moving on to the next one now. Such a beautiful mustard with pink color sarees here, and on the body we have florals and leaves jal in gold zari. And the border in pink color has florals and peacocks with cross lines. You can see it's a big border with a lot of gold zari detailing over it. We have diamonds also, we have circular floral buttis also. A lot of work is there. And the pallu has paisleys, buttis over it. Let's have a look at the contrasting blouse, and to place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CB568. Weaver's price is 10,799. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So our next gorgeous sari is for a very dear and gorgeous customer, Miss Sangamitra ji. It's a lovely off-white color sari, and let me show you the details right away. So this one has beautiful and elegant work on the body. We have zari lines with small polkas. It's in champagne gold zari. It looks very subtle. You wanted to see silver zari, but this work also looks very gorgeous, very subtle and elegant on the off-white color. The border in pink color has paisleys, diamonds in boxes, florals and leaves jal, and cross lines in gold zari. The pallu has floral brocade work over it in gold zari. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse in pink color. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CB606. Weaver's price is 8,159. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So Ms. Sangamitra ji, I will show you more options also, but please keep this one also as an option for yourself. And if you're not able to find that perfect shade for yourself in today's episode, you can always take an appointment from Varamahalakshmi Silks. And then our executives will arrange a video call with you at your time of convenience and show you all the beautiful sarees that you want to see in various price ranges too. So what are you waiting for? Take your appointment also right away. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just welcome a very dear customer, Miss Bhakshika ji. Thank you for being here, and hello to you. I hope you're enjoying your weekend with Varamahalakshmi Silks and this episode of lovely Kanchipattu sarees. Let me now show you the next one. It's a very gorgeous pink with green color Kanchipattu sari. It's a very lightweight one, and on the border of this one, we have self-embossed work with floral buttis in zari. Floral buttis are in gold and silver zari. And the border has florals and cross checks with zigzag lines and dollars. This work is in silver zari. Here's the pallu, which has brocade work over it. It's a lovely contrasting pallu in green color. And a very gorgeous contrasting blouse in green color too. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CB601. Weaver's price is 9,199. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. So before moving on to the next sari, let me just answer a query by a very dear customer, Miss Garima ji. So I will definitely show you more red saris, but I have already shown you few red saris in the beginning of this episode. So once we save these live videos on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube, please make sure you're watching from the beginning to select your favorite sari. And if you're not able to find your perfect sari in the budget that you want in mind, when you have in mind, you can take an appointment from Varamahalakshmi Silks, and then our executives will give you a video call at your time of convenience and show you the beautiful sari you want to see in the budget that you want to. Moving on to the next one now, let's have a look. This one is a beautiful green color sari, green with pink, and on the body of this one, we have diamonds and zari lines in gold zari. The gorgeous border in red color has temples and kadi with florals and leaves jal in gold zari. It's a beautiful big border. And here's the pallu, which has diamond brocade work over it. It's a pallu in red color, contrasting pallu. And along with that, we have a beautiful contrasting blouse also. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BV983. Weaver's price is 11,440. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. So dear gorgeous ladies, dear lovely ladies, before moving on to the next sari, I will be showing you these simple steps. Just follow them to follow VML on Facebook and stay updated about the collections and Weaver's prices too. Moving on.
నమస్తే, నేను మీ సంగీత. నేను ఇక్కడ వరమహాలక్ష్మికి వచ్చాను. వచ్చి ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ అంతా చాలా బాగుంది, బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేశాను. మీరు కూడా ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ చూడాలంటే ప్లీజ్ లాగ్ ఆన్ టు కంచి VML Silks in Facebook, Insta and also on YouTube. And you can shop online freely, peacefully. And if you want to go in person, the shops are located in Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Andhra.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos. And here I am back to show another beautiful sari to another beautiful customer. It's a lovely and bright yellow color sari for Miss Vidyashri ji. Let's have a look at this gorgeous yellow color Kanchipattu sari. Here it is. It's a beautiful Kanchipattu sari with a big border. On the body of this one, we have self-embossed leaves. And along with that, we have leaf buttis in silver zari with small paisleys inside them. Here's the border. In blue color, we have dollars in boxes, florals and leaves jal in copper zari, and zigzag lines in silver zari which have florals leaves jal inside them. Here's the pallu for the sari, which has floral jal in zigzag lines. And a beautiful contrasting blouse which has self-embossed work over it. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CB600. Weaver's price is 7,759 and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Our next sari is also a very bright sari. To make it, let me show you this next beautiful sari in orange color. Such a lovely color combination, orange with pink, always bright and beautiful. On the body of this one, we have floral buttis in curvy checks in gold zari, and gold is adding a very beautiful shine to the orange color body. And here's the beautiful pink color border which has diamonds and paisleys over it. So paisleys are with floral detailing, and all this beautiful work is in gold zari. Let's have a look at the pallu, which has brocade work all over it. And a lovely contrasting blouse in pink color. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is 574. Weaver's price is 11,999. You need to send the screenshot to 890001 Our next gorgeous sari is for a very gorgeous customer, Miss Sangamitra ji, who wants to see a pastel sari also. So you're going to love this pastel color because it's one of my favorite color, by the way. Let's have a look at the details. And such a lightweight sari, very easy to carry also. On the body of this, pastel pink color sari, we have floral buttis in sari. The small floral buttis are in copper zari. And the lovely border has diamonds and floral buttis in silver and copper zari. We have dollars also in boxes. Let's have a look at the beautiful pallu, which has strips and cross lines in copper zari. And a very beautiful self blouse too. To place an order for this very lightweight, very affordable sari, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CB608. Weaver's price is 6,959, and you need to send the screenshot to 890001 So let's move on to next gorgeous sari, and I will keep showing you ladies your favorites also. Just let me know your answers in the comment section down below. Here comes another beautiful sari. This one is in green color. Emerald green color sari with maroon color. It's a very classic color combination. And on the body we have florals in paisleys. This work is in beautiful copper zari, which is adding a lovely shine to the green color body. And the maroon color border has florals jal, paisleys with florals and leaves jal, cross lines. And we have zigzag lines and temples with cross lines again. Moving on to the pallu, which is in pink color and has brocade work over it. And a lovely contrasting blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CA883. Weaver's price is 12,799. You need to send the screenshot to 890001 Before moving on to the next sari, let me just answer a query by a very dear customer, Miss Bharti ji. So you want to see a blue with black combination, and in fact I have shown a lovely sari in this combination in the beginning of this episode. So all you have to do is watch from the beginning and select your beautiful sari and place your order right away too. And if you still want more options, you can always take an appointment from Varamahalakshmi Silks, and then our executives will arrange a video call with you and show you the beautiful sari that you want to see from various collections and various price ranges too. So I am able to help you, and that I feel you will be able to find your lovely sari soon. Moving on to the next sari now, and this one is a gorgeous teal blue color sari. Teal blue with pink. It's a combination that looks gorgeous on everyone. And body has leaf buttis in geometrical leaves checks. Lovely pattern is there on the body in gold zari. Also it's adding a beautiful shine to the body. And the gorgeous big border has leaves, dollars in boxes, peacocks, cross lines, floral buttis in boxes, again cross lines and peacocks in gold zari. Pallu has paisleys and florals and lines in gold zari. And a beautiful contrasting blouse in pink color. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CB566. Weaver's price is 15,749. You need to send the screenshot to 890001 So ladies, before moving on to the next saree, let me just have a little chat with all my gorgeous ladies. So I hope you're enjoying today's episode, because these sarees are so authentic and traditional. These are beautiful pure silk Kanchi Pattu sarees. They have big borders, which means they have amazing work over them in lot of gold and silver zari. Sometimes they have copper zari work also. That's quite unique also. And I hope you're placing the orders right away, because the weaver's prices are valid only for 24 hours. Let's have a look at the next saree. This one is in blue and magenta color and has gorgeous work over it in gold zari. So we have floral buttis on the body, all over the body. Silver zari looks very shiny, very bright on the teal blue color body. And the border has cross lines and florals over it. So we have silver zari work. Then we have diamonds, peacocks, florals and cross lines. Again diamonds, and all this work is in gold zari. Here's the pallu, which has floral brocade work over it. It's a lovely contrasting pallu with silver zari work on it. And a beautiful contrasting blouse also. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CB561. Weaver's prices 14,960, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to our next sari, and Miss Vidyashri ji, you can consider this yellow sari also. This one is in a combination with pink and looks very gorgeous too. Let's have a look at the details. Wow, very beautiful sari, very lovely design. On the body we have zigzag lines and diamonds. And the gold zari looks subtle on yellow color, but also adds a lovely shine to the fabric of the body. And look at this big border, very beautiful pink color border which has temples in pink color and florals and leaves jal with gold zari. And all this work is in gold zari, which look very shiny, very lovely. Here's the pallu, which has brocade work over it. We have diamond brocade work in gold zari. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse in pink color. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CB581. Weaver's price is 11,440 rupees, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Our next saree is in a very beautiful color combination. You are going to love this. Let me share the details right away. Here comes the lovely saree from the Kanchipattu collection. It's in midnight blue color. Isn't it gorgeous? On the body we have floral buttees in circles. So we have lotuses with polkas inside circular buttees in gold zari. The work is extremely classy, very gorgeous. Border has temples, paisleys and leaves jal, paisleys with florals and leaves jal and diamonds. And then again we have a repetition of work. We have diamonds here, and all this gorgeous work is in gold zari, adding a lovely shine to the already lovely sari. The pallu has florals and cross checks. It's a contrasting pallu in pink color and has gold zari brocade work over it. And a beautiful contrasting blouse in pink color too. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CB586. Weaver's price is 13,599. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to next beautiful sari in a beautiful color combination. Moving on to the details of it. Very pretty color. Let's have a look at the details. It's a lovely sea green sari with floral buttees on the body in copper zari. Border has huge floral buttees and diamonds in copper zari. And our pallu has floral brocade work. It's a lovely contrasting pallu in rosy pink color. And a very pretty contrasting blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CB613. Weaver's price is 7,999, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So ladies, let me show you the next sari from the Kanchipattu collection with big borders. This one is a beautiful sari in a lovely color combination. Another lightweight sari. On the body of this lovely sari, which is in magenta and orange color, we have florals and leaves jal in silver zari. And wine color thread work is there in the florals, making the design even more bright and colorful. Border in orange color has temples, cross lines and florals and leaves jal. Cross lines are in silver zari. And we have silver zari kadi also. Here's the pallu, which has floral buttees over it. We have huge floral buttees on silver zari kadi. And a beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CB614. Weaver's price is 7,359 rupees, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Our next saree is going to be another lovely combination of green color with orange color. Let me show you the details right away. Let's have a look at the body. Here it is. It's a green with peach color saree, and on the body of this one, we have peacocks and florals inside leaf butties. So the gold zari is looking very gorgeous on the green color body, adding a lovely shine as usual, looking very royal too. And border in peach color has peacocks with florals and leaves jal. Peacocks are in gold zari, florals in silver. Lovely contrast of two colors of zari. Pallu has peacocks and leaves in paisleys this time. Huge paisleys are there in gold zari. And the saree has a beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CB587. Weaver's price is 9,359. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to next very lovely saree. This one is in pink with light blue color. Another lovely color combination that we have loved since our childhood. So let me show you the details right away of this one. On this pink color body, we have paisleys with florals detailing inside them. There are peacocks also, and all this gorgeous work is in silver zari. It looks very subtle, it looks very elegant. Border has diamonds, paisleys and peacocks in boxes, paisleys jal, and cross lines in silver zari. And the pallu has leaves jal in cross lines. It's a lovely contrasting pallu with silver zari brocade work over it. And a beautiful contrasting blouse in blue color. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CB620. Weaver's price is 7,199. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to next bright and beautiful saree. This one is in yellow color. Let me share the details. Before moving on to the next saree, ladies, let me just tell you that these videos will be saved on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube, so you can come back again, watch it with your friends and family, and place lots and lots of orders from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Moving on to the next saree. And this beautiful yellow saree has lovely copper zari work on it, which is giving it a lovely shine. We have leaf butties all over the body. And border has florals and leaves jal with cross lines in copper zari. Our pallu has brocade work over it. And we have a lovely self blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CB615. Weaver's price is 9,199. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to the next saree, let's have a look at this very pretty saree in a very pastel shade combination. And Miss Sangamitra ji, I think you can totally consider this one too. On the body of this gorgeous saree, we have floral butties in silver zari. It's a pastel green color. Border is in sea green color. We have geometrical zari shapes in silver zari. You can see the lovely intertwined pattern that we have along with the cross lines. And the pallu has paisleys jal with floral butties, again in silver zari. The saree has a gorgeous contrasting blouse, and to place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code, that is CB604. Weaver's price is 8,319. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next saree, let me just thank Miss Anupriya ji, who totally made my day. Thank you so much for your lovely compliment, and thank you for loving the saree that I'm wearing right now. This beautiful Kanchipattu saree with a big border is from Varamahalakshmi Silks, as you know, and you can place the order right away for this saree. If you place the order within 24 hours, you can avail to the weaver's prices also. Now let me show you the sarees that are draped on the mannequin, ladies, so that you can understand how gorgeous you will look when you wear it yourself, and with your beautiful smile, you're going to glow in it. Moving on. This one is a wine color Kanchipattu saree, which has beautiful and pretty butterflies butties on the body in copper zari. The work looks so pretty, very lovely and unique design. Border has cross lines and floral jal in copper zari. And the pallu for this one has brocade work over it. We have a contrasting blouse in orange color, and to place an order just take a screenshot along with the item code that is CA884. Weaver's price is 15,199. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to the next lovely sari. This one is a pastel green color sari, and this is especially for Miss Sangamitra ji who wanted to see pastel shades today. So on the body of this lovely gorgeous sari, we have paisleys, buttis and zari. The border has florals and strips and lines. Only one side border is there in gold zari, and our pallu has florals and cross lines again in gold zari. Our contrasting border is in wine color, and to place an order just take a screenshot along with the item code that is CB567. Weaver's price is 13,200. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let's take blessings from the Divine Goddess to have an amazing weekend and a very exciting shopping experience, very positive shopping experience from Varamahalakshmi Silks. And here's the next sari. This is in green color, beautiful shade of green with lovely gold zari work on the body. We have silver zari work also on the body. So we have floral buttis in zari all over the body. The border has florals, paisleys and peacocks in lines. The pallu has brocade work over it, and there's a self blouse for this gorgeous green sari. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code that is CB594. Weaver's price is 15,840. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now moving on to today's last sari. It's a beautiful navy blue color kanchipattu sari with a big border. And on the body we have leaf buttis in copper and silver zari. Our border has peacocks and florals with cross lines. Beautiful and bright work is there with a lot of detailing. Pallu has brocade work. There's a contrasting blouse in red color. To place an order, just take a screenshot along with the item code that is CB590. Weaver's price is 13,599, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So dear Miss Surya ji, I couldn't show you a cream color sari today, but you can always video call and see the beautiful saris. All you have to do is take an appointment from Varamahalakshmi Silks, and then our executives will arrange a video call with you at your time of convenience, so you can see all the saris in various colors and price ranges too, and from every collection also very personally. So please don't wait anymore and take your appointment right away. So dear gorgeous ladies, I hope you enjoyed today's episode about lovely kanchipattu saris with big borders. These saris were very unique, they were very special, regal and traditional too. And I hope you're placing the orders right away also, as the weavers' prices are valid only for 24 hours. We will be back tomorrow with another exciting episode. Until then, stay safe, keep shopping from Varamahalakshmi Silks, and also keep giving us all your love and all your support too. Namaskaram.
సో ఇప్పుడే నేను కంచిపురం వరమహాలక్ష్మి సిల్క్ స్టోర్కి వచ్చానండి. బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అనమాట. ఇక్కడ శారీ కలెక్షన్ కానీ ప్రైజింగ్ రేంజ్ కానీ చాలా 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 బాగుంది. సో ఎప్పటికప్పుడు లైవ్ అప్డేట్స్ని అండ్ ఆఫర్స్ని మిస్ కాకూడదంటే డూ ఫాలో కంచి విఎంఎల్ సిల్క్స్.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.